Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. Today we shall discuss what is so good about Bitcoin. Alright. First, let me ask you a question. Can something of no value when it started becomes 60,000 today? Something must be wrong, or very wrong, or extremely right. No? It cannot be wrong like Nobel Prize winner, economist Paul Krugman, who said in 1998, internet will slow drastically, and by 2005, internet impact on the economy is no longer bigger than the fax machine. A Nobel Prize winner, mind you, it shows not all renowned economists have good foresight. In terms of economic, yes, they can figure out the arithmetic, but in terms of desire, aspiration, they do not have the grassroots understanding. What the majority public needs may be out of their range of thoughts. What I'm trying to draw a comparison here is, yes, fax machine was the greatest invention at the time in 1998. But that cannot say that fax machine is already the best form of communication. Now the fax machine is already made redundant by the internet even. See how the world changed. Same as the banking system is currently the best means of fund transfer. But that does not mean there will not be another better means of transaction. The fax machine is a technology, so is internet a better technology. But the banking system is a human-made system. In other words, artificially created system that can be banned according to the human in charge. Whereas Bitcoin Network is a computer coded system that is programmed to do what is best and correct way for transaction. After many years of experience, in fact, there are many cyberpunks who experimented with the coded transaction long before Satoshi Nakamoto, but failed. It's just that Satoshi Nakamoto took the best of the failure, then introduced some of his improved code to come up with his Bitcoin system in 2009. Now, 15 years, it's proven that the Bitcoin system has been performing well. Not only nobody is able to find fault with the system, but it's also unable to make a better one so far. And being the first mover to introduce a perfect internet innovative system to replace the traditional banking system, 15 years have passed, chances is it will continue to serve the world for a long time to come. Now, Bitcoin not only is a better means of transaction. It's only one small part of it, actually. It is so innovative that it can, it is not only outbid the traditional monetary system in transaction, it goes further to rectify all the ill effects of the old system. Like get rid of the third party, get rid of manipulation, get rid of corruption. In fact, it turns the whole governing effect of how a payment system should be administered in a simple and straightforward manner, without all the ill effects. It also forces all participants to be clean and pure, fair and equal, irrespective of color or race or religion or border, where everyone can participate without asking for permission. It restores back humanity to where it should rightfully be in the first place, and always be fair and honest, to be shared by everyone on the planet. Have you ever had one system that is able to change so many things for the good of everybody? Most of all, it brings us back to the basic fundamental of being a proper human behavior. I talk to many people, both my followers and the general public, and today I have not come across anyone who said outright, "I do not believe in Bitcoin." Many declare they do not know enough to adopt Bitcoin yet. Compared to years back, world of difference. When we first heard of Bitcoin, there's always this usual skepticism of how true is this Bitcoin ecosystem. And over time, after Bitcoin has proven itself, the world at large start to understand more, and even the staunchest disbeliever also change their mind. Those who take effort to study after a while tends to believe in Bitcoin and start to adopt the Bitcoin network. For sure, adoption is growing, and in recent years it has intensified. It is actually not difficult to understand Bitcoin. But first, you must keep your mind open, all right, and be prepared to accept the facts and be realistic to what is happening in the crypto movement and the progress. You should have intellectual curiosity to ask questions. You can then judge in a proper frame of mind. You know, the new saying is, if you hold dollar, you look up at the politicians. But if you hold Bitcoin, the politician look up to you. Nice thing, right? Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.